Presidential primary in South Carolina is coming up this Saturday. The newest issue in this race is Friday's judgment in a New York City courtroom where former President Donald Trump was ordered to pay more than $350 million. Caitlin Huey-Burns is covering the campaign and has the latest. Caitlin, good morning to you.
Good morning to you, Gayle. Well, so far in this campaign, Donald Trump's legal woes haven't dented his support, and his rivals have been cautious about piling on. Well, this weekend, he unleashed on the court system while his sole remaining Republican opponent, Nikki Haley, sharpened her attacks.
The case is a complete and total sham. It's a sham case.
Making his pitch to voters in Michigan this weekend, Donald Trump took aim at Friday's ruling in his civil fraud trial and other mounting legal proceedings.
The judges and prosecutors that were dealing with me are essentially all the same, different wrappings, tone, manner, but always the same coordinated and overly nasty result. They are nasty. There's a lot of emotion in this room. Thank you.
Earlier, the former president was met with a mix of chants and boos as he tried to rally support at a sneaker convention in Philadelphia, promoting gold Trump-branded high tops.
It's a slightly different audience than I'm used to, but I love this audience.
And while Trump is already shifting his attention to the general election against President Biden in the battleground states, former South Carolina Governor Nikki Haley is focused on Trump in her home state's Republican primary this Saturday.
Everything he touches, we lose.
As polls showed Trump with a commanding lead, Haley is now pointing to his legal cases as a liability.
Now, he said himself he's going to spend more time in a courtroom than on the campaign trail. We can't win like that.
Yet many of Trump's supporters are standing by him.
I think some of it is politically motivated. Look at where you're at now versus where you were 4 years ago, and you'll realize you are much better off than Trump as president.
And yesterday, Haley wouldn't say if she would support Trump if he becomes the Republican nominee, but she did repeat that she would pardon him if she becomes president and he's convicted of a federal crime. Both candidates will campaign in South Carolina this week ahead of the weekend's primary. Michelle?
It will be interesting. Caitlin, thank you.